today we will be unboxing the Remote Control Mist Spraying Dragon. And ages 8 plus, features wings flap with every step, mist spraying, roar sounds, LED light up, wireless fossil remote control, and what I'm really excited about, it walks. And, well, watch this. So, this is what we have. We have the dragon, the wings, and this. The fossil remote control. So we needed 2 AAA batteries and 3 AA batteries, and the wings are easy to put on. Well, at least that's what the package said. Well, it's right. So, watch this. So I got this. So we are back again, and I got this from a Minecraft Ender Dragon toy, but I'm still using it on this. And this is how you put the water in. You put it here, and you put it in. Whoa, way too much. You put the water in, and then you close it, and then this is the remote control. So, to make it roar, you press the button on the bottom. Well, I think you hold it. Well, watch this. So we figured out the problem. We actually had to turn it on. So on the bottom button makes it roar. And the top button makes it walk. And the wings flap a little. So, I mean, I think it's pretty fun. And there are also other dragons, like a white one, I think. But this is the one I chose because I think like red, like the red eyes and the black, really look cool together. And the mist. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. And make sure to hit the subscribe button. Bye!